The normal to a curve at a given point is a straight line which intersects the curve at that point and is perpendicular to the tangent to the curve at that point. So, when we're interested in computing the equations of normals to a given curve, then first of all, we need to know the standard equation for a straight line containing a certain point, which we won't state here since we briefly reviewed this in a previous video. The following fact will also be very useful. The product of the gradients m1 and m2 of two perpendicular lines is -1, that is, m1 times m2 is -1. So we can use this to find the gradient of a normal at a point by first finding the gradient of the tangent at that point. Let's have a look at normals on a diagram. Suppose we take the point marked by the red dot, and then consider the tangent to the curve at that point. We know the normal is perpendicular to the tangent, so it would look something like this. Now, we know how to compute the gradient of the tangent at a given point. This was covered in the previous video, and via the formula for the gradient of perpendicular lines, we can compute the gradient of the normal. So let's try an example. What is the equation of the normal to the curve y is 3x squared plus 4 at x equals 2? Well, if y is equal to 3x squared plus 4, then dy by dx is equal to 6x. So, at x is equal to 2, dy by dx is equal to 6 times 2, which is 12. Now, this is the gradient of the tangent at the point x equals 2, so the gradient of the normal is equal to -1 over 12, since 12 times -1 over 12 is -1, as required. Now, at x equals 2, we have that y is 3 times 2 squared plus 4, which is 3 times 4 plus 4, which is 16. So the point 2, 16 is on the normal. We also have the gradient of the normal, so we have that -1 over 12 is y minus 16 over x minus 2. This is just the standard form of the equation of the straight line that we stated in the previous video. So we can rearrange to get y minus 16 is -1 over 12 times x minus 2. So y is equal to -1 over 12x plus 1 over 6 plus 16. So finally, y is equal to -1 over 12x plus 97 over 6.